Right now, deep inside your body, a massive storm of electrical signals is firing at lightning speed. You are thinking, blinking, maybe even scrolling through your phone, and it is all happening effortlessly. But behind this smooth performance is one of the most powerful and complex systems on Earth. It is not your heart, it is not your muscles, it is your nervous system. The nervous system is your body's absolute master control center. It takes in information, makes lightning-fast decisions, and sends out commands, all in mere milliseconds. It is how you feel pain, move your fingers, remember your dreams, and, most importantly, survive danger. This incredible system is divided into two major tag-team parts. First, the CNS, or Central Nervous System. This includes your brain and spinal cord. Think of it as the main command center, the big boss. It processes everything. Second, the PNS, or Peripheral Nervous System. This includes all the nerves branching out from your brain and spinal cord to the rest of your body. It is the ultimate communication network. Think of it like this. The CNS is the CEO, and the PNS is the high-speed delivery service. Let's talk about your brain. Weighing in at just 1.4 kilograms, it is way more powerful than any computer ever built. It is packed with over 86 billion neurons, each connecting to thousands of others. It controls memory, speech, emotions, reasoning, vision, and movement. And it uses real electricity and chemicals to make it all happen. Next up, your spinal cord. This is the nervous system's superhighway, linking your brain to the rest of the body. It is also responsible for instant reflex decisions, like pulling your hand away from a hot stove before your brain even realizes what happened. Your peripheral nerves act like cables spreading throughout your entire body. Sensory nerves carry signals to your brain like pain or touch. Motor nerves carry orders from your brain to your muscles. But wait, deep inside the PNS, there is a hidden system running the show totally under the radar. Introducing the autonomic nervous system. This is your body's background controller. It operates silently and automatically 24/7. Breathing, heart rate, digestion, blood pressure, pupil size, and even sweating, all controlled by this system, even while you are fast asleep. And guess what? It is divided into two powerful subsystems that are always playing a game of tug-of-war. First up, the sympathetic nervous system. This is your emergency mode. When you are scared, anxious, or in danger, this system activates instantly. Your heart rate spikes, pupils dilate, lungs expand, digestion stops, muscles tense up, and blood rushes to your limbs. You are ready to fight or flee. It is your body's internal red alert button, built purely for survival. Now meet the opposite force, the parasympathetic nervous system. This is your ultimate calm, chill-out mode. It slows your heart rate, kicks off digestion, and helps you relax, sleep, heal, and recover. Ever felt super sleepy after a huge meal? That is this system stepping in and saying, "Relax, I have got this." These two systems are always in a dynamic balance, like two pedals in a car, one to accelerate, one to brake. Together, they keep you stable, responsive, and alive. At the core of this entire magic show are neurons, special nerve cells that carry electrical impulses. They pass messages across gaps called synapses, using chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. It is literally a biological internet with blazing speed. But when this system breaks down, things get tough. Neurological disorders like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, epilepsy, or multiple sclerosis can emerge, reminding us just how precious this electric empire inside us really is. So, the next time you blink, breathe, or feel joy, remember, it is not magic. It is your neuro-electric genius working non-stop to keep you, you.